if you don't know me already, I'm Courtney and I make eyeshadow tutorials, makeup tutorials and all that sort of content. And if you want to see how I created this stunning Barbie Glam, then make sure you stick around and watch the video. So first of all, I am absolutely smothering my client's face in the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream in the light. This is a really lightweight moisturising formula and it is amazing for my client's skin. Here I'm just brushing up her brows and filling them in gently with the Primark brow pencil in dark brown. My client already has laminated and tinted brows, so I don't really have to do too much, but I'm just filling in a little bit of shape and body just to give them a little bit more volume. And I am just going in with the Got To Be Glued hair gel just to stick those brow hairs in place so they last all day long, and this is also a waterproof formula. And then I'm just laying down a really nice full coverage base for the eyeshadow to stick to using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C1. And then I'm going in with my first shade, which is the shade On from the Sample Beauty Equaliser palette, and creating almost a winged liner shape with this small brush, and I'm kind of like patting that into the eyelid area to create a fake wing shape. And then I'm going in with the shade Engaged AF from the P. Louise Teen Bride palette, and this is a really soft pink shade, and that's to start to blend out that really nice dark purple shade up into the natural brow bone. And then I'm going in with the shade Frost, which is the white shade from the Sample Beauty palette, just to blend that into the skin tone. And then I'm going back in with the P. Louise Teen Bride palette in the shade By Your Side, and that's just to keep blending those pink shades up into my client's natural skin tone and to create that gradient from that dark purple into her natural skin tone. I'm then going back into the shade On and deepening back up that liner area because we want to create that really dark lash line, but we still want that nice blend from that lash line into my client's natural skin colour. And then I'm going in with the shade Maid of Honor, and that's just going to start really blending that shade On from that Sample Beauty palette into that really light pink shade, because we want to create that really nice transition from that deeper purple tone up into my client's skin tone, going back and forth between all of those shades to create that really nice blend. I'm then going back in with my client's concealer shade in the shade C1, and I'm just going to kind of create like a half cut crease. I don't want this cut crease to be too harsh, but I want to really brighten up the inner corner of the eye to kind of open up and elongate her eye shape. Then I'm going in with the shade Engaged AF just to set that concealer down. I'm then going in with the NYX glitter glue and I'm patting that over that cut crease area, as we're going to go on top of that with the NYX Ice glitter. This is a really stunning glitter. It's sort of greeny, silvery, goldy. It's just amazing. It's got this iridescent reflex in the light. It is so beautiful and it works really well with these purpley pinky tones, and it just gives that really beautiful inner corner shine without being too heavy. Then I'm deepening up again that eyeliner area with that Sample Beauty shade On. I'm really going in quite heavy with this because I want the outer corner to be quite dark. And then I'm going in with the Nicole Guerriero, sorry if I absolutely butchered that, but we're going in with the shade Lip from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow palette in all of those areas we want to highlight. And then I'm just taking a Q-tip and I'm cleaning up the outer corner of the eye. And then I'm just going in with a black eyeliner and I'm just going to line my client's eyelid with this eyeliner. I'm not going to do a winged liner or anything like that. I'm just going to do a really nice thin black liner across her entire lid, as this will blend the false lashes into her lash line really nicely. I'm then going in with the Collection Cosmetics Filter Finish Complexion Boosting Primer in the shade 1 all across my client's face. This will give her a really nice glowy base for her foundation to stick to. My client has really clear skin anyway, so we're just going to enhance that glow from within. I'm just going in with a really lovely brush from Peaches and Cream. I'm then going in with my client's foundation shade, which is Mont Blanc from NARS, and I'm using the light reflecting foundation as my client has really clear skin, as I said before, so we just want a medium coverage foundation just to give her that really beautiful complexion. It's full of skincare and it's just a really long lasting and soft and gentle product for the skin. I'm then going in with the NARS Bronzing Cream in Laguna, and I'm just bronzing up all those deeper areas of the face, the cheekbones, the nose, the forehead, just to give my client a sun-kissed appearance. And then I'm going in with the Made by Mitchell blushes in Candy Trip and Peach Sugar. This is a beautiful combination of peachy tones and this really nice cool tone sparkly blush. It creates a really lovely high point on the cheek. And then I'm going in with my client's concealer shade, which is vanilla, and I'm just patting that really gently underneath the eye with a brush and bringing that down the side of the nose to help shape the nose a little bit as well. I'm then going in with the I Heart Revolution Peach Baking Powder. This is a really good affordable product. It's got these really lovely peachy tones, so it's not going to go too orange or dark on your client if they're very fair, and it just does a really good job. It doesn't crease at all and it doesn't have any flashback. And then I'm just setting the rest of the face with a large fluffy brush because we don't want to apply too much product, which can cause creasing later on during the day. I'm then going in with the Too Faced Bare It All bronzer in Honey Bun Glow. This is a really beautiful luminous bronzer, and this is just going to add to that glow that we want to add to my client's complexion. This is going to be a very beautiful, glowy and sun-kissed glam. Then I'm going in with the best blush combination, which is the NARS Gina blush and the Benefit Tickle blush. The NARS blush gives it a beautiful base, and that Tickle blush from Benefit just gives it a really beautiful glow, to the point where you don't really even need to add highlighter onto the cheeks. I'm then just setting my client's entire face except her eyes with the Makeup Revolution Super Dewy Fixing Mist. You want to avoid the eyes because this can cause creasing in the eyeshadow. And then I'm just copying the same layout I did with the eyeshadow on the upper lid onto the lower lid, and then I'm going in with the darker shade to deepen up the lash line. Then I'm going in with that NYX glitter glue once again, and then I'm going to set that with the shade Sweet from the Sample Beauty Equaliser palette, which is a similar colour to the glitter which we've used on the upper lid, but in a more pinky tone. I'm then going back in with that Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter into the inner corner of the eye and just tapping those high points of the face just to give that little bit of a glow. And then I've just given my client the opportunity to apply her mascara herself because some people aren't comfortable with you doing this to them. We're then applying a Laneige lip balm to moisturise the lips. And then I'm going in with the MUA Cosmetics lip liner in TLC. This is a really beautiful nude lip liner just to gently line my client's lips. And then we are going in with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Supreme Gloss in the Cookie Dough Fetish shade, which is a beautiful rose toned gloss. Just tapping that in to give a plump look to the lips. So there you have it guys, this is my final beautiful, stunning, absolutely amazing Barbie Glam on my stunning client Jess. If you want to recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram at Courtney Beauty UK because I would love to see your recreations. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down below so you never miss any of my videos. Don't forget to like the video as well because it'll help me out a lot. And if you really love watching my videos, make sure to stick around next week where we are going to create a really beautiful dark blue siren eye look. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!